This is the startup checking video of Abdullah dough kneader, big 5 kg capacity, model AE221, being checked for this Daraz order, 6th March 2024. The machine is okay from all the sides. There are no damages. Gumao. Gumao. नीचे से दिखाओ. As you can see, it is okay, and now we will start the machine. पीछे आ रहा है. The machine will automatically stop when the timer comes to the off position. It has a metal blade, a measuring flask, this warranty booklet. This is the carton. Carton has a thermopore at the bottom, thermopore at the top for safe packaging, and then we apply the fragile stickers on it. As you can see, the timer is slowly moving towards the off position. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes. We are Orion Engineering Company, Karachi. The machine has automatically stopped, and now we will pack it for Daraz. That's all. वो डालता हूँ. टेप नीचे, चलो लगा देना फिर टेप. ठीक है.